Because that's what is written here. Concurs with the auditor's observation that there were long outstanding receivables from National Hospital Fund, that's NHIF, ranging 37 days to 11 months. This was occasioned by the delayed disbursement of funds by the NHIF. There has been a concerted effort by management in following up the claims. So far, Mr. Chairman, 42,915,594 relating to the period under review has been reimbursed, leaving a balance of 3,026,300 still outstanding. And we can find them in the attachment of 1A, 1B, and 1C, Mr. Chairman.
Auditor, your comments on the management response?
Chair, management concurred with the observation that there was a long outstanding receivable from NHIF. However, so far pension for the 2,915,594 relating to a period under review has been reimbursed, leaving a balance of pension in 3,076,300, which is still outstanding.
So, Governor, maybe with your follow-up with NHIF, what is the current position? When have they committed to clear the 3 million?
Chairman, there was earlier communication that before we moved from NHIF to SHIP, they would have finished in the reimbursement of this money, but so far they have not done it. We expect that they will do it anytime soon. It is beyond our control again, because the people who are supposed to be giving us that money back.
Okay, floor is open for members. Proceed, Kisan.
I don't know. There is a letter that was done on 11th of January 2023 from NHIF saying that they have cleared. So, you know, sometimes, yeah, what NHIF does, because I have an interest there or share, if the claims are not valid, you know, sometimes they reject some claims. So I don't know if all the 42 million or 45 million claims were really valid, all of them, because they are paid. You still have outstanding 3 million, and they are saying they are cleared from the letter that is here. So I don't know.
And looking at your response, Governor, you have said so far 42 million has been reimbursed, but the amount in question was 36 million. So what is the breakdown of the 42 million? Because it seems way above what was outstanding of 36 million.
Chair, let me ask the CC Health to respond to that.
CC for Health.
Thank you, Chair. We keep on claiming